Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a bad heater control valve? So the heater control valve is usually mounted on the back side of the engine right next to the firewall. And the purpose of the heater control valve is to direct hot coolant from the engine to go straight to the heater core. There are three types of heater control valve. It can either be cable driven, electronically driven, or it can be controlled by vacuum. Exactly how does a heater control valve work? Well, when you turn on your heater on the climate control, the valve on the heater control valve is going to open up and it's going to allow hot coolant from your engine to flow directly to the heater core. How do you know you have a bad heater control valve? Well, number one is when the heater control valve is faulty, the valve may stay closed, and when you activate your heater, you may not feel hot heat coming from the vent. Number two is if the heater control valve is faulty and it is stuck open and the valve is always open, you may feel heat coming from your vent at all times. And number three is the valve is partly stuck open or partially stuck closed, then you may notice inconsistent heat. And number four is going to be coolant leak. Coolant can leak on either side of the heater control valve. It can leak on the outlet side or on the inlet side. Or the heater control valve itself, the plastic on the heater control valve can become brittle, caused by engine heat and hot coolant. And over time, it can develop a crack and it can start to leak coolant. For your heater control valve to work properly, there must be coolant inside your engine. If the coolant reservoir is empty, then the heater control valve will not work properly. How do you check for a bad heater control valve? In order for your engine control valve to work properly, the engine must be warmed up and it must be at operating temperature. And when you turn on the heater, the hot coolant on the inside should flow past through the heater control valve and the outlet hose should be hot. If you fill the outlet hose and it does not feel hot, then most likely you have a clog inside a heater control valve, or either that or the valve is stuck closed. In addition, make sure you check the cable and make sure it is working properly, because sometimes this cable can become stretched or it can actually break off. If you have an infrared thermometer, you can check the inlet hose and the outlet hose and compare the temperature. So the inlet temperature and the outlet temperature should be about the same if the heater control valve is working properly. So the temperature is slightly lower on this side. I hope you found that lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.